Okay, hello everyone. So this video is going to be reviewing the significance section of the essay. So the significance of the importance of the significance of the essay is where you're going to either show how your study adds to the understanding of your topic based on what you said either in the purpose, and if you recall, if you selected explore, better understand, contribute to existing theory, or discover new information, you're going to address those issues there in the significance, as well as elaborating further based on one of the three decisions that you made by selecting one of these. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. If not, again, ask me questions once we return to class. Okay. Um, all right, so then let me just review this part. So select one of these 2 points to help situate your study about your collected sources. So identify 2 ways your study relates to the scholarly research and literature you have collected and explain. If you're uncertain what to write, go to point 6 of the introduction and elaborate on that point that you made there. Okay. So let me go to the example of what I've written. So this is what I wrote for the significance. This study aligns with the existing literature on how globalization facilitates human trafficking. One of the ways the study confirms the existing literature on human trafficking is by understanding how the term connectivity is not an empty term to understand global processes. Understanding the term connectivity as a verb shows the active dimensions of how globalization allows people to potentially meet no matter where on the planet they may be located. The second way that this study relates to existing literature is by showing, with a high degree of certainty, how human traffickers use commercial airlines to move people they traffic. To be sure, human traffickers do not only use commercial airlines to transport people, but they also tend to use shipping containers on super tankers that transverse ocean liner routes. All right. And this is just a brief example of about how you would go about writing out the significance. All right. So then these are just 2 simple examples of what you're going to do for your manuscript. Okay. So hopefully that makes sense. But again, make sure you ask questions when we return to class. Okay. So I'm going to stop here and then go over the outcome.